Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you these three options of the Agile plugin. So it is card creation, auto assign on move, and inline commands. So firstly, let's go and see where these options are located. So yeah, you have to go to administration here on the top right corner. And by the way, this is happening on our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com. So please feel free to access it and test the plugins anytime that you wish. You have a password admin and user admin. So yeah, this is administration access. Okay, so here we go to Agile, and afterward we see the three options here. So card creation, this means that it is pretty forward. It is about creating agile cards on the board. So yeah, currently we see that this is not possible. We have agile board here, cards, and nothing happens. I mean, there is no way to create a card. So this is just a white space here. Okay, so we enable this feature and click on apply. Now refresh our agile board, and we see that we have add new issue option here. So this is the option. So currently I'm able to add new issue just here directly on the board. So it is new issue testing directly created on the Agile board. Okay, so this is it. It is just created on the board. And when you have when you go to the issues list, of course this issue is appearing here on the list as well. It is just created directly on the Agile board. Okay, so the second option is about auto assign on move. So this means that when you drag and drop the cards on the Agile board from one column to another, it is automatically assigning the person that is moving the card. So in our case, this is me. I am logged in as administrator, and the administrator is actually written as Paul Smith. So this is me. And yeah, we enable this option here, click apply again, and return back to the Agile board, refresh, and all right, so we see our new issue here, and yeah, currently it is not having any assignee. So when you open the board, we see that assignee is blank. Okay, so it is added by Paul Smith, by me, but there is no assignee. So we drag and drop this issue here from resolved to in progress, and yeah, this is some agile limitation, all right, but we see that Paul Smith is automatically added here as an assignee. So this is the option of auto assign on move. So when I open the ticket now, I see that assignee is Paul Smith. It is automatically added when I drag and drop this issue. So we see here the history of changes. So we have status changed from resolved to in progress. We moved from the resolved column to the in progress column, and assignee was set to Paul Smith. Okay, so this was the second option. And the third option is about inline command. So we apply this and refresh our page, and now we see the command button here. So we are now able to command directly on the board. So we add testing command on the board. Okay, so we click on submit, and we see the command here on the board. This is the third option of the three options that I showed you, that I wanted to show you. So here is how to add this command with the pencil button. You could edit this command and edit the issue description. Okay, so when you open this ticket and scroll down, we see the command that is added here. Testing command on the board, less than a minute added. So this is just a command to the ticket. This is the option itself. You just add these commands to the ticket directly on the Agile board. via this button here. So these were the three options that I wanted to show you. It was about card creation, auto assign or move, and inline commands, adding commands to the ticket directly, everything happening directly on the Agile board. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP, and of course, you could subscribe to our channel if you wish. Uh, yeah, if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. You could share some feedback with us about our plugins, new features that you'd like to see, and everything else. Thanks again for your patience and for watching this video, and bye bye for now. See you soon.